Hey guys, good morning. Coach here. I've got you all the way over here on this far screen, so I'm hoping that you can see it. um, Euro US on the main screen, I'm doing some website stuff. So on the main screen, you can see we had a strategy 1 and a strategy 3 set up, and they both hit step 1, right? Did they get their setup? Strategy 1, yes. Strategy 3, yes. Step 2, can you confirm it? Right? You can confirm it on strategy 1, but you're too late in the game. Okay, if you know where I'm at here, looking at your charts on strategy 1, you can confirm it. You got step 1 and you got step 2. So if you're only a mechanical player, then you need to take that trade and we're going to record it. And it's still running, and now it's still looking good, right? So it's starting to turn, and now you're possibly going to get a step 2 on strategy 3, and this will be your third attempt at it. So you've tried to get an out of the money trade, strategy 3, 2-hour trade. You've tried it 3 times and didn't get it. On strategy 1, you did get it, but that is a at the money or in the money trade, and you're already 30 minutes into a 30-minute to an hour and a half trade, and the bell's coming at 9:30. So yeah, mechanically people take it. You're not playing with any money. You need to see how this market reacts. For me and the Jens and the Mikes and the Jesuses and the Daryls and the Michael Lethart, the people that were trading in the group there towards the end before we got away from this, are probably thinking, I don't know. I mean, coach has told me 100 times you're playing down there around the low. How much room does it have to move? And then look at your indicator there down for strategy 3, how it looks just like waves across the ocean, right? So it's just flat. So your indicator is consolidating, your indicator, but your price action, your candlesticks are not consolidating. It has broke out of the channel. Right. So we talk all the time about, always look at it from the refresh. And from the refresh, you needed to catch it about, like I said, 30 minutes ago when you got step 1 and step 2 on strategy 1, and you would have won that. It would have hit all 3 targets. But by the time I got there, it was late. So the bell's ringing now. Let's see what we can do. I'm not looking at strategy 1 anymore because it's about ended. I'm going to look at strategy 3, and strategy 3 is going to be that 2-hour trade. So you need to give it 2 hours. What I mean by that is when you first get into the trade, it's a 2-hour trade. You could win it in 3 candles. It could take you 30 minutes, which is 30 candles. It could take you an hour, which is 60 candles. It could take you 180 candles, right? But this thing is a 2-hour trade, so you have to know that when you enter it. So 9:30 to 11:30, this might be my last and only trade. So knowing that psychology, that is probably going to be my only trade that I'm going to do, I'm setting at 1-0. I might let it get all 4 steps and pass on it and just see if it'll pull back and confirm so that I can make sure that I'm not going to continue to consolidate. It's okay to do that. You'll learn how to practice that on paper first. So if you have any questions, let me know. Harry, I sent you a private message. I'm already obligated Thursday morning. You picked, so I moved it to Friday morning, same time. Please let me know if that's not good. I've got a training session this afternoon with, I believe it's Daniel. Right? So this will be his second. John Blue just finished the 6 free session. So now he can hang out in the group. He can decide to take the course. And if you don't know, John, just ask me some questions, right? I'll be more than happy to help anybody. And I won't take anybody's money until you know that you are ready, right? I'm not trying to sell you this deal. I'm showing you that it works. And if I can help you, let me know. So reject it again. So I'm at 1-0, and right now I may stay that way if we start pushing. If we get up there out of the channel, then switch over to USD and then start that same process, or you become a buyer and make sure what you're buying